Hi, it's George again over at eimports4Less. Here today filming a short video about a vehicle that just came into us today. This car will be available on the website within the next day or so. What we've got is a 2020 Volvo. This is an S60. It's a T6 all-wheel drive momentum model. Let's take a quick walk around, tell you a little bit about this one. This car's got 14,000 miles on it. Black car, black interior. You can see it's got the nice upgraded wheels on it, the 19s. Condition's absolutely excellent. Everything you'd expect out of a 2020 car. Nice, clean inside and out. We'll take a look at the interior here in a second. But again, black car, black interior. Get around here to the driver's side, show you that's nice and clean. Nothing to talk about there. Excellent options on this car as well. You've got the panoramic moonroof, got navigation, backup camera, and then all of the safety stuff that Volvo's known for. Of course, you can check out our website at eimports.com. You'll find this car there within a day or so, and they'll have a full breakdown of the window sticker and everything about it, including Carfax report and everything else you'd want to know about a car. So let's take a look at the inside. We're out here in the bright sunlight, so I don't know how much we're going to really be able to see, but you can see the new style nav system in there. It looks basically like an iPad screen. So interior's in great shape, nothing to discuss condition-wise. Again, a 2020 car. Let's see here. You can see the rear heated seat buttons there. So this one's got front and rear heated seats and the heated steering wheel. It's got the panoramic moonroof, which basically takes up more than half of the size of the roof up there. So again, 2020, black car, black interior, momentum, all-wheel drive T6 model. Check out all the details at eimports.com. If you're interested in owning this one, if you want to buy it before somebody beats you to it, give us a call here at the dealership at 215-249-9100. Thanks for checking it out.